Hi, I'm Adelita and I'm with Humanity Empowered. We're on a mission to provide information on how to improve people's lives through proper nutrition, exercise, and meditation. We are what we eat, so eating healthy is the first step on the journey to living a happy life. So that's why today I would like to share with you how to make homemade acai bowls. So acai, it's a berry from the Amazon that is packed full of antioxidants. It's really tasty and really healthy and good for you. So here's what we're gonna need. We're gonna need a couple of packets of acai, frozen acai. We're gonna need some frozen berries. I have some strawberries and a frozen banana in here. We're gonna need some granola to top our acai bowl, and maybe a drizzle of honey. So let's get to it. So we're gonna need to blend it, all of these ingredients. So first, the acai. Acai can be found in your local Whole Foods grocery store, or Sprouts, or your local alternative healthy grocery store. Here's the other packet. So it's frozen. So it's gonna be a frozen kind of a sorbet topped with all delicious fresh fruits and granola. It's gonna be delicious. So we're gonna add our frozen fruit. You can use which fruit you like. I like bananas, is the most traditional, and some strawberries. So we're gonna add half a cup of orange juice and a mascarpone. Alright, so this is our acai fruit base. We're gonna need a bowl. So we're gonna pour this in this bowl. See, delicious, creamy, frozen acai. Just like that. Some granola on top. Yum. Now we're going to add some fresh fruit. Usually the traditional Brazilian way of doing this is adding fresh bananas and decorate it like that. Put it all around the edges of the bowl. And then, if you want to get fancy, you add a drizzle of honey. But this is optional. And a little bit of shredded coconut, which is also optional. And that's it. This is what our acai bowl is supposed to look like when it's all done. I hope you enjoy it. See you next time. Bye.